Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn lesson 4. The name of the lesson is The Mouse and the Pencil. Now, look at the picture. In this picture, we have a fan, there is a clock on the wall, and there is a table, and even there is a chair and stool. And we can also find a different pictures which looks like bat, and the other one is which looks like a book. Have you ever seen or heard of a bat and a book as shown in the picture? If they were to talk to each other, what do you think they would talk? So if we imagine that they have life, and if they wanted to talk, what they would want to talk? Now we have second picture here. Look at the picture and answer the questions. What do you see in the picture? What do you think the rat will do with the pencil? What do you think the pencil can do to the rat? Generally, we use pencil to write and even to draw pictures. So, how the pencil is going to help to the rat? Then we have the main story here. All of you pay attention. Read the story. The Mouse and the Pencil. The pencil saw a little mouse. The mouse was looking for something to eat. He found the pencil. So here we have two characters. Those are first one pencil and mouse. So the pencil saw a little mouse, and the mouse was looking for something to eat. So now the mouse found the pencil. I am going to bite you, said the mouse, and he bit the pencil hard. So now first mouse it was hungry and it wanted to eat something, and immediately he found pencil, and it was saying to the pencil, I am going to bite you, and after that it bit the pencil very hard. You are hurting me, said the pencil. Let me draw for you one last picture, and then you can do what you like. So now pencil was saying that okay, it's hurting me, so please give me a chance and let me draw you a nice picture to you, then you can do whatever you want to do. Very well, said the mouse. The pencil drew a big circle. Is that cheese? Asked the mouse. So now the mouse was asking, is that cheese? Well, let's call it cheese, said the pencil. Then the pencil said, okay, we will call it as cheese. Then it drew a bigger circle under the first one. Is that an apple? Squeaked the mouse. So now again mouse was saying that, is that an apple? Let's call it an apple, said the pencil, and it drew three little things inside the first circle. And then again it was going on to draw something on that, and now what it has done? It has done on the top circle three dots. It has drawn. Are those cucumbers? Asked the mouse, licking his lips. So mouse it was very hungry, and again looking those three dots, and the mouse thought that they were cucumbers. I wish you had hurry. I simply can't wait to get my teeth into them. And then the mouse it continued to speak. Yeah, real. I wish you had hurry. You are in a hurry, but I am not going to wait anymore, and I want to eat those. Please complete fast that one. In this way, mouse was asking the pencil. Then it began drawing some funny curved things near the second circle. So we can see that in the picture. Now what do you think the pencil is drawing? Then see here, the pencil drew two little triangles on the top circle which look like ears. Those we can see. Oh, Oh, squeaked the mouse. Now you have made it like a cat. Don't go on. So now, when it has done those circles, those triangles, and really it's looking like a cat. Then mouse was shouting, and it was saying that yeah, it's enough, and don't go on, don't continue, and don't draw. But the pencil went on till it had drawn long whiskers and mouth on the top circle. So here, the mouse it was not going to listen. No, the pencil it was not going to listen what the mouse was saying, and it continued to draw the complete picture of the cat, and even it has drawn long whiskers and even the mouth on the top circle, and finally even it has just made a cat. And then see what happened, and the mouse cried out in terror, it's a real cat, help. So now, when the pencil has completed drawing that picture, it looked like really a cat. Seeing that, now the mouse it cried out in terror, in fear, and it thought that it's a real cat, and just help me, like that. It shouted. The mouse shouted, and it ran fast and it ran quickly from that place. So this is the story, and now what happened at the end of the story, now the pencil it was saved from the mouse very cleverly. So this is the story, children. I hope you understood. Thank you all.